Hey, I'm Mike Tyson. I'm a German YouTuber. Actually, I do tutorials for my German viewers, but I got more and more viewers from the United States. That's really brilliant, and so I decided to do some videos in English language. And today I will show you some punches or some punching combos from Mike Tyson. I will show you two possibilities, one of his favorite combos and one of his new combos, which you can see currently on his Instagram account. So let's start. I have here one injury on my left fist, so I can't punch so hard, but I think it will work, and so now let's start. The first combo is, I think, his favorite combo. He did a lot of knockouts with this combo, and first you go in the basic position, do a jab, and then suddenly you go down to the body, and if you go down to the body, your opponent will let his protection fall down, and so here in this case we have a gap, and in this gap you will do an uppercut. It's really hard, so if you go down, you're in the right position to do an uppercut, and you have the gap because the protection from your opponent is down, and this is very easy but very powerful, and now I will show it on the back. Okay, as I mentioned, I have to be a little bit careful with my left hand. So go in the basic position. Actually, he had a double protection. Jab, and then suddenly go down and go to that. That's all. Okay, and now the second one. It starts with a jab, with the right hand, with the left hook, then go down, bring the left hook to the body, bring the left hook to the body again, go out and bring the right hand. Okay, once again from this view, jab, right hand, left hook, go down, left hook to the body, left hook again, and then go out and bring the right hand. Okay, now we'll try it here on the punching bag. I hope it will work with my injury, but I think it will. Okay, that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.